Upgrading your home isn't always about major renovations. Sometimes, a single change, like replacing your doors, can make a significant impact on both your energy bills and daily comfort. For Frisco homeowners, where seasonal temperature swings are common, investing in door replacement can be one of the most effective ways to improve energy efficiency while creating a cozier living environment. Why doors matter for energy efficiency. Doors are more than just entry points to your home. They play an important role in insulating your living space. Older doors often come with cracks, warped frames, or outdated materials that allow drafts to seep in and conditioned air to leak out. This leads to your HVAC system working harder, ultimately raising your energy costs. Modern doors, however, are designed with advanced insulation materials, tight weather stripping, and energy-efficient glass options that help regulate indoor temperatures. By upgrading, you not only stop energy loss but also maintain consistent comfort throughout your home. Benefits of door replacement for Frisco homeowners: lower energy bills. Replacing old, drafty doors with modern, insulated models immediately reduces the strain on heating and cooling systems. Whether it's the hot Texas summers or chilly winter nights, energy-efficient doors help keep indoor air where it belongs, saving you money each month. Enhanced comfort year-round. No one likes sitting near a door that lets in cold drafts in January or hot air in July. New doors create a tight seal, eliminating those uncomfortable temperature fluctuations. This means every room in your house feels more inviting, no matter the season. Improved curb appeal. Energy-efficient doors don't just perform well, they look great too. Homeowners in Frisco can choose from a wide range of styles, finishes, and colors that complement their home's architecture. A new entry door or patio door instantly refreshes your home's exterior while adding value. Better indoor air quality. Poorly sealed doors often allow dust, pollen, and outdoor pollutants to slip indoors. This can be frustrating for families dealing with allergies or asthma. With a properly installed modern door, you gain a cleaner, healthier living environment. Noise reduction. Frisco is a thriving community with plenty of activity, but that doesn't mean you want the sounds of traffic or neighbors inside your home. Today's doors come with solid cores and insulated glass options that significantly cut down on outdoor noise, providing peace and quiet. Choosing the right door for your Frisco home. When selecting a replacement door, it's important to consider both style and performance. Popular options include fiberglass doors, durable, weather-resistant, and available in designs that mimic natural wood. Steel doors, known for strength, security, and excellent insulation at an affordable price. Wood doors, classic and timeless, offering natural beauty with modern energy-efficient enhancements. Patio doors, sliding or French doors that allow plenty of light while maintaining excellent insulation. Each option offers unique advantages, and the right choice depends on your budget, style preferences, and performance needs. Professional installation makes all the difference. Even the best door will underperform if it isn't installed correctly. Professional door replacement services in Frisco ensure that your new door fits snugly, seals properly, and delivers maximum efficiency. Expert installers also address framing, thresholds, and weather stripping, so you get the full benefits of your investment. The long-term value of door replacement. While the upfront cost of door replacement may give some homeowners pause, the long-term benefits are undeniable. Lower energy bills, reduced HVAC wear and tear, improved comfort, and enhanced curb appeal all add up to a smart investment. In fact, door replacement consistently ranks among the top home improvement projects for return on investment. Final thoughts. If you're looking for a simple yet powerful way to boost energy efficiency and comfort in your Frisco home, replacing your doors is a wise choice. With modern materials, advanced insulation, and professional installation, a new door not only transforms the look of your home but also makes it more comfortable and cost-effective year after year.